Okay, so in this video I'm going to just go over color grading in the ShotCut video editor real quick. You can see I have two clips right here. Let's make this a bit bigger. Now this clip is not white balanced properly. It's just a shot of some flowers outside next to a house. Now this clip contains the color white. These flowers are white. So white balancing it will be easy. You simply select the clip and you click filters, and I already have the white balance filter added, but let's say it's not added. I'll click the plus button, go to the video filters, scroll down the white balance, and you can simply select this little eyedropper tool and click the white area of the flower, and that's going to change the white balance right there. You see, here's the before and here's the after. Now you can also mess around with the slider to change the white balance. See, I just made it a lot warmer by bringing that slider down. That actually looks pretty nice right there. Now sometimes you have a clip that's, white balanced properly like this one, but let's just say I want to make this one a bit warmer as well. We'll click white balance and I'll bring the slider down. Look at that. I mean, I kind of like it with that little bit of yellow right there. You can also click the plus button and add a color grading filter if it doesn't get past my view. But let's leave this one hue, lightness, saturation. But let's say you bring the lightness down, so you make it a little bit darker, you give it some contrast, and you bring the saturation up to make it more colorful. That is one heck of a colorful ocean clip right there. And you can do this with our little white balance clip as well. Click this clip, hit plus. Let's find that hue, lightness, saturation one again. Let's bring the saturation up on it. This is something that's good to do just in general, to bring the saturation up. Gives it more color, makes it pop better. So look at this, you undo this and it almost looks black and white now, but when you bring the saturation up, the colors just absolutely pop off this clip. Now if you take both these filters off, this is the before, and put them back on, there's the after. What a huge difference. And you saw how easy that was too. And even for this clip here, you can make it look slightly less cartoonish. You can bring the lightness back up to 100%. You can change the hue a bit. And, that looks pretty slick, huh? Let's take this off, see what it looked like before. See, but this one was white balanced properly before. So let's leave it. Oh, look at that. So you just add the hue like we just did. Look at that. Look, what a difference. And bring the saturation up even more. And bring that brightness down a hair. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That looks black and white without the saturation being up. The width it up, that's what it looks like. Isn't that such a massive difference? That little quick little color grading just went from this boring clip to making it pop just like that with just this hue, lightness, saturation filter for our ShotCut. Now this is just a quick tutorial I want to do on color grading. I'm going to have more coming in the future, and this one's going to be on my BitChute channel as well. I just made a BitChute channel. It's Matty Trips with a Z at the end instead of an S. I think someone else took the S, so I had to make a new username. But I'm going to stop posting these to BitChute as well, so you can join me on there if you want, or you can stay here on YouTube. It's up to you, but you'll be seeing more light work. I'm used to doing light work tutorials. You'll be seeing more ShotCut tutorials to come in the future. Thank you for watching.